some of these things in a German cranny. And I'll pay and pass over to me. You don't need to come out to come and display to people. It will be some meme way. No, because the Jnana who to me show be been yes, I mean, boomedi do whatever. When you're bamming, come once that. The energies that follow me will start dealing with you. I don't need to come and react to it.
Yes.
Because we are you are not working alone. There are beings with you. So the beings know, say, sumasi. Then you know, the person will know. See, the American, I don't know whether people are understanding. A mystic person does not fight for himself.
Yambra ways, yamipa. On se ban semwa mupa. Nami kebi biafa, yes, and then your social media. Na say ya the echo na say ya sophobia your friend Ajagurajah.
Yeah, minimum online. Yeah, face online.
But no, minimum one-on-one.
Okay.
Yakobo live band. Not anymore. Yakobo live band. I'm sorry that I will go for it. Now, Lady B, ebe kasetiano, ubedi na tem. Ye na social media ni yewoso. Ewom se sofa Ajagurajah wan koledi no. One call nim lady no, but lady no sorry no they camera seen him phone and a wooden at them.
Oh, that's bad.
And ye, inti occasion say or challenge no. So phone say, "O need to me be our need powers." So o did this all powers her and your own channel, but on no moon back.
No,
inti so for Ajagurajah.
You don't speak like that.
Yes, and so at the camera seen him, a casino. And then the yemu many na ne busuya or say na down for cry or be far for na fra abayano and so cry no obenya problem. Nana wadaruma eba ne say ya ne kwan so no ana senka obi a wo ye wumdwuma de senka obi akasa etia na wo so atwe camera si wanim na kwatumi nipa no wi a yemu many na mimi so senka nkra ne de omo nka ho nipa na odi watem na woso onji wundi no kebi anko ne na e wada ne but wakan de busu nyina ma na sen kra wode chat bi betre say lady no sister atro ama ne se opana chew se onfa chew mo mo de mo nkan ho ni nua na akoka na asemo sofo ni nyomo fim na na eye
the thing say so we sunsumuni a so hu ni say ukura bibia eso. And you know, you don't begin to fight with people just because they be on makasetia. Edin kan ababa wana nyade. Say obi enkan obi nye bibi ntia na say dey okay watwe afidie si wanim na wadi ni paratem no entwa yi. I mean, say me fi say Ajagurajah ni nua ana ebi ya ne boyfriend ne kuna na bi kan ko bepe. Okay. So in the busu ni ebi kan ko bepe. So if the fact say nipa no bia waya ade bi ni wani so it doesn't warrant you. Say what the FDB see when you say who did nipa tell you buy me nim ne but wanya de. Me nim specifically they could hear sinti obey but say they will can based on their working. Say nipa na from onya hwe na wa fa FDB see wani no e wrong. Eto so bi no eye opanyin Ajagurajah no. Normally no I make say I am intend to two amount for me my suggestions. Okay. My suggestion is a situation like this, you know, it is all kind of too. Okay. And you be na abeso so. No. So kat obeso be so a. When you say we are say your law be a operate. You say every action will generate a reaction. Okay. The obi dia bia no obi twa. Nti obi a won fom no nya na hwe na obetena bonten abedidi watem. Sam pass would need to me be cry, would need hwe cry na. Law ne say the obey be an one in Sunsan, so to be from now ba bontin abeka nsematia no and one kasana one repercussion. Okay. Ewa bra even nipa na one makotia no enya hwe ntia o. Ada say. The ampase ababa wa no ebegina bontin ebeka nsem didi na temo a. Na Ajagurajah ambi na no a. Sunsun mra na say nipa na mfom wa ba bontin abeye we ni nti no obenya so twen. Sanity. Until Ajagurajah being a spiritualist said the no. He should understand this principle. Say me so a me ye sunsumni. Na obi aya ade afom me amantimi an hye mabufuo so a me so mabegina bonten a me ka se de no. say family sma make kan so na baba we kwa amane mu a e ya ade am so madua nti ne results no baba me so
ebeba Ajagurajah na
yes sana ba na te che de make kan ti ase sisi ye kwafum na wodua pineapple na me kodua makwa afeso a me makotwa pineapple wo bakokoti mako it's not possible because say no say me ne jan le dua nti me so me pineapple no de wudua na benya nti ababa wa na ono wo mfom no ebi ka me kan wa de bi a wo ye na bubu na tan ti oba bedi watem no wo mfom no kwan bi aso ono cha ase abedi watem no sunsun mra na say odua dua ba bi say nua ba na odua no ehun sunsun so beba ama na tie di
okay
ana wo so no wantimi ankosha wo ho so abufuo na wo so wo de kan zamatia no nsensem na wo kan eba mu a wo so seed bi o seed also ni say wo ma obi ho kire no nti wo so sa seed no eson a obeden wo betie di nti so pese ne mma na nasefo emra ebi si am wonya din yes o kan na abam ba wo so sa seed nti everything will come to you at the end of the day yes nti na nipa pese me ensa me ba social media me no obi anya bantada say am kan beef no me nya bi da because I know myself
because me kwa me hu bi da
no me nya
say na ne din akosoro paada me hu bi
me nya because you tell say I know myself nti me kai say na man bi wo UK no yourself papa me nim ni da o sada fa mi si ho be 6 months or so there be obey in life be no de medina ye
onya ne menzo
oni me ni no me say man boni din da anka sem bi ada yem na so he say ah say I don't see him on social media me ni baby always say until as a spiritualist no if you believe in yourself you trust in yourself na so be fomo na owa bufu bi kura na wo pese wo ya ade ma nipa ni hu say foma wo fom nti na wo bra ye mfa metena fidie so ne aye
nti na ebi mkura ka se enye adwuma because ya say omo bodua no so obi ye wade na wugina ne nimu abodua na omo se enye adwuma but okotena se na wakoma ba fom na de obeka bia nipa na oye wade no ebenya no
obi aka sanya no kre
okay
see ye bodua the emotions and the feelings that follow the abono and the man ye adwuma
okay
nti nipa no waye na de aha na ode ye ne pain ye ne mu ho na obodua be ye adwuma okwa na wakoma kokkodwo na obodua na kra na say abufu kura he da nimu a enya adwuma
okay
see ye bodua duabo say wonfum obi a dua ntimu nyam I don't know maybe I didn't want to go there but I mean bibi kakra Papa Ajagurajah I think say ebi a woni ma I just want to explain that I say say obi mfumo wa uboni dua nya no so obi mfumo wa uboni dua nya no because ubodua ye ka say duabo no ye di asem
okay
na ye di asem no I say ye court na ye di asem ho ye ni ntoro yes sumsum no ahemfo anim a ye kodi asem nti ye frɛ na obi aboni nkuro wi ya se de wo ye nti wi meto nti obi mfumo na oboni dua nya no okay na emom se obi mfumo a obetimi atu na duaku no
difference wo
nti duabo ani adutuo no a different thing adutuo se wafom nipa no so onfom nipa no se wonni ahobamba obetimi akum but duabo de se nipa na mfumo wa uboni dua enya no nti se maame na mpa se wafom no a being a spiritualist no uhia duabo wo trase e wa bro bi ani no aka wonsem obenya nsunsanso but coming out there no be able to obodua and I think say it doesn't befit him owodin wo Ghana hapa nti no so obetie me suggestion here aja say me no nkasa da what I want to say is say owodin wo Ghana ha some of these things na aja man kora na nye so obi fumu say na wo bibi so oye bibi tia no a don't say it nti no baby ko a wogina ya na wo de Florida water ni go a wo kan sem no say camera nsi so a say be yadwuma today internet or the camera see so they actually say wo ye dia gidin enye se bibi na pesa wo ye sam pass o pese wo ye ade tie obi a you don't need camera there
yes
you go there okusun egu omo so mo na me somo obi abedima tem amenya ne hwe owi wa kan sisu se me wo tumi amenya ne bibi se mo anya ne bibi ya mani begu ase nti on te wa no kasa wa be yi na no nti otewa na wa man na ho yesa dododo na o se ana papa ya di me kan wa kwa bibi na wan kan na sa na ya de osunsun ba be gina bonte na beto abonte now ye wa honhoma hodo a omoye adwuma wo wiase ye wo the evil ones ye wo the good ones nti wo send the evil energy to go and attack this woman e bi kura na oba abonte be ye wewi wo se nu ho poto wo se me hu yanka manye now no obenya favor wo good spirit anim the Osman negative energy akono na good spirit am support no so e be share the one here would do abon cry enya adwuma and in a situation like this now I will suggest to him say make no aya mpayifo say mintu omofo but metimi I suggest say situation like this you don't even say anything about it oko interview almost say aja obi adi whatever you say o say abisa me nka ho hwe dia sinisi ho a maja bibia say de besi bia de be hwe
no
simple na be gina bonte na be sa one way ya de ba kwa wo ye ne say unhunu wadofo unhunu watamfo now everybody will be afraid of you nti o fom kwan kran na ni pe ka no suro e ba sa na wanhunu watamfo wanhunu wadofo as a spiritualist obeta menam
na utufu ba
as a unhunu watamfo unhunu wadofo as a mystic no onsesa nipam na mo woda wo ho so ba sa situation say obi bia obi curse no ebedu ba bi omo ben na ho omo mpe oyi mpo no they will be afraid to come out to show. And the one who are not want to 2 years, they are close to you. They will be your downfall. But you will be away approachable. That be near Muzo assume see me the person might approach you and tell you because the baby uncle Yamani Bobo you will end up losing the knowledge of when I am a town for when I am a dofu. To me in a carbum or be crabit me a poison. I will ban what you say any or dofu no your town for. But and I'm say Fana say be a making obi cry or who to be a person hamo sunsumu. There is no one single spiritualist or who be bibia. No. Only nyame. Enyankopon pen na only any limitation. By any na ya limitation. The limit here ade betimi ato me ba. Me yere me nua wa Abraham hu because I'm not God. What does it? Ade betimi ato me o chena wa Abraham hu because o person hu bibia o tena se ne wa bisa ne wa hu. When in be 24/7 na ehu bibia osunsu because we nipa onye Nyankopon. Nti na obi bia hia afotufo. Nti aja the make a chero ne say we nipa kese wo Ghana ha I've seen a lot of videos on Ghana mpanyfu ehia ye bo abaso. Some of these things na ya German kra na nye. And now pay and pass over to me. You don't need to come out to come and display to people. You will be some way. No, because the Jnana who to me show be na me hade. Yes, I mean bu me di watama. When you about me come once that. The energies that follow me will start dealing with you. I don't need to come and react to it. Yes. Because you are not working alone. There are beings with you. So the beings know say sumasi. Then you know it's an Jordan the person will know. See, they are making, I don't know whether people are understanding. A mystic person does not fight for himself. No. My name can't say Minchro. I say, my chapa, I brand to be by me home. There's a 10 years in it. To buy no back at me say, Nebra, I will brushly. Now, one now some Nebran were gonna have all seen if you only the dear Muna on Tianica. And I'll promise and say, Oberto. And ya come you no amano. No was fee at the amano. Brana ya fe onye biu. And oba me ho say opese me mboa na ne bra no to anya come you no mano. Na onsi fie ne mano. Na oyema na oba be da ase. Na ye bom paye e na me ye ho ade ne mano. Me madwuma me nyisika. Ti no mani nyina no me de mano. Nti ade ba akwa na say ode to bo no ho ban protection. E no penalty aka. Nti me woman be say 2 weeks to 1 month. And our friend me say nebra no ato tipa truck no. Was any pictures in na wa shepo e ba nti okoyi a o de beba. Nti woman no be ka tell say tipa truck na ba. But say me can say o ka say obeto 2 ne ba ko pe no de aba o ti o. Asa me ka be say 10 years na o kan na makai. Nebra na ka say obeto 2 no o de 2 ni nya na ba den na ba ko pe na wato. Lam say ma ye ho pa ebo. Nti wade ba akwa ba na ehwe animu hwe ewo mu ana o san frɛ me sɛ ne bra na ma na kopɛ fie ato a o so de fie ni ma no na mum aka tipa truck no ba ako
still no that's so petty but
this as make asem ba na make ni sa ayo nti Say me promise me say oba be dance near you. Me say ompo. Okay. E woman be say 2 months after all this na when your tipa truck back ho. Was say nya efie no. Me wo ha na guy no be efie oba nipa me need na chi. Oba ya o say ade na me de man no. Anya adwuma. Nam say ade na you say nam say ade na anya adwuma say o ka say tipa truck me no o de back na ba ya na fie. And nti sika na o de be to sa ade no. Me fa na ade ma no. As far make you be ka say tro bi na me di. Nti wana na me say really saying why na me read them na me sika na me this kind of man. Nti wana na nipa mi no no ba na me say mo hwe ebia na wanka asem na nkyere mu yi te ma me bia no oba me ha be 2 months ago no ka kire me say ne bra bia wasom no a ne bra no wa aburuturu ho koye wei sifie ma me oye ni nyina na bra na say obe promise say obe to tipa truck 2 ama no ana wasifie ama no oba ye no me de ma ne kane ma ngi ni sika ade ba ko pe no tuaka ana o kire me say onya no ma ni nyina oba be da ase later friend me ka say ne bra to tipa truck ba ko waye fie ni di ama no the enti oba say ade amayama na anya adwuma ba gini sika ne say me ka say car o ka say cars 2 wonya ba ko nsemu ni me ka omo say sanete nam sanete omo say ne bra wanya ade mani mo na wa ha say ne omo ko to say ma gimi me say me di machi a mo be support no so why dem ready na me gini sika ne ma no nti why na me ko chance din in fact asem ha me sad down my life me ti wo din na me ho wo so me say enya he see na me kai sister nyamini say me ka say me ye jankoma de bia na bibia na me boa and the 2 weeks asa me kai me be fe no e ka chakra o papa nyimu pa o me de o me nchen ho 2 weeks ama car na onya e car no ko hwe she ni fie ni she but I make a chakra or maybe he can come and comment okay fie ni she car na she the one day me wo ha na me ni fie be buy na say na ma he na nim so not ho ohum ya no koto ye kwa na msam me ka na me tuka na pie oh me ka be ti asem so we sunsumni na obi ya ade na hawa you don't need to come out there to come and tell people say me ko ye we atia no it means that one kasa wunji utumi ndi because to me no it operates in silence. Spirits doesn't operate in public, they operate in silence. And into paso ya ade ati obi no ye no he nanim nti me so wona me wasema ana me say me mpe wasema hu sanam say say me mpe wasema hu because the way I me obi am done it I'm not here. You will never know my mind, you will never know my movement. And dangerous. Very dangerous. But I me a dangerous person. Wow. No, because the danger say be a body with him. But say them tie no e be ya din say obi hu adwen with him about you. No. See, as a spiritualist, why do you have to come out there na onya ade no bi ehu? The man say nyankopon pese ogu ani ma se a even though wo tumi a wo tumi ne ye adwuma ba nyankopon se ya na afono me dodo me pese me gu ani ma se de waka nyina me ma ne mbam na ya twen afe mienu na emba ya then within papa bi e wonya ato ho so no ye nyame o. Oh, because they are about social media. Yes. See, no matter how powerful you are, oh nyame. Until no maybe a wonim ye no. Ye nya mfantu ye ho. Enti mesre waja. We dey kotoyogu fom. And say some of these things anyway German kra no wodin we Ghana hapa to the point say president be chiawo onim panyifo kasa no. Ani wo ho. Some of these things no nya about enya futu na me to a suggestion. But that's it. I hope say one fan offense. Oh, obefa. So for Ajagurajah obefa.